I think for, emerging threats, one, it's nice to have partners that we work with that we know this is their area of expertise, right? I'm a marketer myself. I don't spend a ton of time doing any analysis on like how AI could impact fraudulent activity on the website, but I am happy to know that like we partner with Anura and Everflow who kind of have it top of mind. And, both companies, they do webinars and things like that. They do trainings. They're very active and insightful with like things that they are extremely knowledgeable about. And it helps make me comfortable that I know that they're keeping up to date and that the systems that we already have implemented are going to be good and kind of future proofed in that aspect. So that's what I would say is kind of good. I am confident that they're doing a good job based on like the trainings that they provide to their partners that they work with and that they give to us so that I don't have to worry about it so much.